Ever felt that twinge of frustration when you realize you need a bank account, but the whole process feels like navigating a maze? You're not alone. Whether you're a student starting university, a young professional entering the workforce, or simply looking for a better banking option, opening a bank account is a crucial step. And if you're in Australia, Commonwealth Bank, or CommBank as it's often called, is a major player. So, the question is, how do you actually open a bank account with them? That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly touch on why choosing the right bank and account is so important. Your bank account isn't just a place to store your money, it's the hub of your financial life. It's where your salary gets deposited, where you pay your bills, and often where you manage your savings. A good account should offer convenience, accessibility, and features that suit your individual needs. Commonwealth Bank is one of Australia's largest banks, offering a wide range of accounts and services. This means there are options for almost everyone, but it also means it can be a little overwhelming to figure out where to start. That's why we're here to simplify the process. There are generally three main ways to open a bank account with CommBank: online, in a branch, and sometimes over the phone. Let's start with the most popular and often the easiest method, opening an account online. Opening an account online with CommBank is generally straightforward. You'll need a few things handy before you begin. Firstly, you'll need proof of identity. This usually means a driver's license, passport, or Medicare card. You'll also need your tax file number, or TFN. While providing your TFN isn't mandatory, it's generally recommended as it can simplify things like tax reporting on interest earned. Once you have these documents ready, head over to the Commonwealth Bank website. Look for the Open an Account or similar link, which is usually prominently displayed on their homepage. You'll then be guided through a series of steps. First, you'll likely be asked to choose the type of account you want to open. CommBank offers several options, such as everyday transaction accounts, student accounts, and savings accounts. Each account has different features, fees, and benefits, so it's worth taking a moment to understand the differences. For example, some accounts might offer fee-free banking if you meet certain conditions, while others might offer higher interest rates on savings. We'll touch on some of the popular options later. After selecting your account type, you'll be asked to provide your personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, and contact information. You'll then need to upload copies of your identification documents. Make sure the photos or scans are clear and legible to avoid any delays in the process. Once you've submitted your application, CommBank will typically review it. This process can sometimes be automated and quite quick, but in some cases, it might take a little longer. You might receive an email or SMS confirming your application and providing further instructions. Now, let's talk about opening an account in a branch. While online banking is convenient, some people prefer the face-to-face interaction of visiting a branch. If you choose this option, you'll need to locate your nearest Commonwealth Bank branch. You can usually find branch locations on the CommBank website or through a quick Google search. When you visit the branch, be sure to bring the same identification documents we mentioned earlier, your driver's license, passport, or Medicare card, and ideally your TFN. A bank representative will guide you through the application process, which is similar to the online process, but with the added benefit of having someone there to answer your questions directly. Opening an account in a branch can be helpful if you have complex questions or prefer personalized assistance. It can also be a good option if you're having trouble with the online application process. Now, let's quickly touch on some of the popular account options CommBank offers. They have their Everyday Account Smart Access, which is a common transaction account. They also have options geared toward students, like the Student Everyday Account. And for those looking to save, they have various savings accounts with different interest rates and features. It's important to research these options on the CommBank website to find the one that best suits your needs. A few important things to keep in mind: regardless of how you open your account, be aware of any fees associated with the account. Some accounts have monthly fees, while others offer fee waivers if you meet certain conditions, such as depositing a minimum amount each month. Also, understand the features of the account, such as access to online banking, mobile banking, and ATM access. Now, let's address some common questions people have about opening a bank account with CommBank. One frequent question is, how long does it take to open an account? If you apply online and everything goes smoothly, it can sometimes be opened within a few minutes. However, it can take a little longer if further verification is required. Opening an account in a branch is usually done on the spot, but you might need to wait for your card to arrive in the mail. Another question is, what if I don't have all the required identification? If you're missing some documentation, it's best to contact CommBank directly or visit a branch to discuss your options. They might be able to offer alternative forms of identification or guidance on how to obtain the necessary documents. Finally, remember that opening a bank account is just the first step in managing your finances. Once your account is open, take advantage of the available tools and resources, such as online banking and mobile banking, to track your spending, manage your budget, and achieve your financial goals. Opening a bank account with Commonwealth Bank can seem daunting at first, but by following these steps and being prepared with the necessary documents, you can navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Whether you choose to apply online or visit a branch, understanding the different account options and features is key to choosing the right account for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.